Hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this is probably the first long video that I'm creating. इसके पहले मैंने कभी एक long video नहीं बनाया. Like I never sat in front of the camera and just spoke about things. इसके पहले मैंने सिर्फ dance videos ही बनाई है और to upload on my YouTube channel. So this is the first long video that I'm creating and I'm just going to sit in front of the camera and just speak about all the things that I learned during my 20s and just share it with you guys. So let's start with the video. First thing that I felt was very important was the loving yourself. Love yourself as much as you can. Spend time with yourself. Not necessarily कि solo dates पर जाओ या खुद के लिए कुछ करो या no. Just self care. Self care is important. खुद की care करो, खुद का ध्यान रखो. Spend time with yourself. That is important. So loving yourself is as important as you love everybody that in your family, in your friends, or anyone around you. The next thing is somewhat related कि खुद का ध्यान रखो. Do skincare. Skincare is very important. डे केयर करना है डे केयर करो, नाइट केयर करना है नाइट केयर करो, बट डू स्किन केयर. योर स्किन विल रिफ्लेक्ट. जस्ट डू एज मच एज यू कैन, लेकिन स्किन केयर करो. योर स्किन रिक्वायर्स केयर. योर स्किन विल रिफ्लेक्ट द वे दैट यू ट्रीट इट. सो डू स्किन केयर, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा रिलेटेड ही पॉइंट है विच इज़ ड्रिंक वाटर. ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट क्योंकि it is very good for your physical health, for your mental health, for your skin as well. जस्ट 2 लीटर की बॉटल ख़रीद लो. वो उसको ख़त्म करने का एक टास्क रखो या फिर टाइमर सेट कर लो या जो करना है करो, बट जस्ट ड्रिंक एज मच वाटर एज यू कैन इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. उसको एज अ लाइक रूटीन ऐड कर लो अपने उसमें डे टू डे लाइफ में. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ कंसिस्टेंसी. कंसिस्टेंसी इन एनी थिंग दैट यू डू. If you are a content creator, be it content creation, if you are a YouTuber, if you are a student, if it is about your studies or your profession or anything, अगर आप consistent हो किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर, you will grow. Doesn't matter कि perfection है या नहीं उस चीज़ में. अगर आप consistent हो, you will see the growth that is important for anything to just important. So next thing is हाँ, डन इज़ बेटर देन परफेक्ट. समवॉट रिलेटेड बट लिंक्ड ही है पहले वाले पॉइंट से. बट डन इज़ बेटर देन परफेक्ट मतलब अगर आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, इट डजंट नीड टू बी परफेक्ट. क्या परफेक्शन क्या होता है? इट डजंट हैव टू बी रियली परफेक्ट. अगर कुछ चीज़ नहीं भी परफेक्ट टर्न आउट हो रही है, इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट टर्निंग आउट द वे दैट you thought it would be, that's completely fine. You tried, you did things, you attempted. That is important. And just focus on doing things. Just focus on doing any task of about completing any stuff, but just don't seek validation and don't seek that perfection. आपने किया try, that is important, and that will just impact your overall growth. तो perfection मत देखो, कर दिया ना बस, fine. Okay, so moving on to the next point, which is exploring new things. Trying and exploring new things. As a college student, I realized that exploring new things is very much important. आप जितना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर करोगे उतने ज़्यादा आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस काउंट होंगे, उतने ज़्यादा आपको चीज़ें पता चलेगी, उतना ज़्यादा यू विल बी उतना ज़्यादा यू विल बी लाइक getting to know how the actual world is. So just explore as much things as you can. Just try out new things. Trying out and exploring new things is important. कॉलेज में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. देर आर क्लब्स, देर आर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, देर आर कॉम्पिटिशन्स, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई माइट लाइक मिस राइट नाउ, बट देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सब चीज़ें ट्राई करो, सब चीज़ें करो, एक्सप्लोर करो, एंड you will just see changes in yourself jitna. And the next point is networking is as important as hard work. Meet new people, again linked to the previous point. Exploring new things, meeting new people, building connections, networking with people is very much important. क्योंकि जितने ज़्यादा आप नेटवर्किंग करोगे, जितने ज़्यादा लोगों से मिलोगे, उतने ज़्यादा connections बनेंगे and it will help you in the long run. Next thing is taking risk. Just take the risk, take the step and just do things that you want to do. Doesn't matter कोई कुछ भी बोले, criticize करे, कुछ भी करे, just take that risk and do anything that you want to do. If you wish to do, if there are only 2 to 3 people that are supporting you, that's fine. Just do things, just do whatever you want to do and just take that step. Do not step back. The next point is that not everyone will support you and that's okay. Anything that you do, anything that you are doing in your life, in your career, in your profession, in your passion, not everyone is going to support you, not everyone will appreciate you. You will just have those 2 to 3 people around you who will like constantly support you, who will like constantly appreciate you for the things, and that's okay. You don't need the world around you to appreciate you, to support you, because you're never gonna get it. कुछ भी कर लो, कितने भी बड़े बन जाओ, not everyone will support you, not everyone will appreciate you, and that's completely fine. The next point is physical health. Keeping yourself physically healthy, mentally healthy is very much important. If you're feeling to take a break, if you're feeling to not do things, if you feel like being at rest, just do that. It is not every time important that you keep on doing the work that you have to do. Not every time it is important to just keep on pushing yourself. Take care of your physical health, take care of your mental health, take that break, spend time with yourself, and yeah, that's it. Next thing is again linked to the physical health, eating fruits. Eat as much fruits as you can. Just include one fruit in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day like meal, and you will see the changes. Your skin will be better, your physical health will be better. Just eat any fruit in a day, but just include fruits. Next is cooking. Cooking is very important क्योंकि it is not important in the way कि you should cook for your family or like cook for anyone around you, but मत बनाओ खाली खाना, but just learn how to cook. Just learn how to make things कि अगर आप कहीं भी हो तो ऐसी situation ना है that you have to order food from outside. Just you know how to cook, तो बना लो खुद के लिए या किसी के भी लिए, but just learn how to cook even if you do not make it every day. The next thing is take some time out for your family and friends. Take that break from your work. Spend time with your friends, spend time with your family, because you will realize it बाद में कभी कि बहुत important होता है to spend time with your family and friends. Next is quality over quantity. In terms of friendship, I would say in terms of friendship, it is very important. Having the quality of friends is very important. First year में रहो तो ऐसा लगता है that you should have a bunch of people around you. You should have like a big circle of friends. But no, that is not important. Keeping quality of friends in front of you, around you is important, and not like having like 10 people around you who are not even caring about you. उससे बेटर है कि 2 लोग रख लो who genuinely care for you, who genuinely appreciate you for things. The next point is saying no. Saying no to things that are not important, that you feel are not important for you to do. Just say no to it. Saying no is very 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 important. अगर नहीं लग रहा है कि कुछ चीज़ करनी चाहिए या कुछ important नहीं है, just say no. मना कर दो. Not every opportunity is important to grab. I did not realize it like बहुत अच्छे से. Now I'm learning to say no to things and it is helping me a lot, to be very honest. The next thing is managing your finances. Learn to manage your finances. There are various applications जो आपके expenses को manage करने में help करती है, जो आपके खर्चे को manage करने में help करती है. Download those applications. I do not know the name of it क्योंकि I do not use it, but I would just suggest you कि कुछ भी करो, बस learn to manage your finances, your expenses and everything. It will help you in the long run. Next thing is detachment. Not everyone in your life, not everything in your life is like permanent, and that's okay. Learn to detach yourself from temporary things, from temporary people who are like just leaving you like that. be it in terms of relationships or friendships or anything. Just learn to detach yourself from things and not just attach itna zyada ki it will affect your mental health so much. Just learn to detach yourself. And the next thing is respecting everybody. I learned it from my family itself that if you are in a corporate job or if you're in any profession, अपने ऑफिस के गार्ड को भी उतनी रिस्पेक्ट दो जितने अपने बॉस को देते हो, बिकॉज दैट विल मेक यू अर्न द रिस्पेक्ट दैट यू डिजर्व. So give everyone respect, treat everyone with respect that they deserve, and you will see some positive changes in yourself, and you will also earn that sort of respect from everybody. So I think I covered all the points that I wanted to just share, which is saying no, skincare, drink as much as water you can, consistency, exploring and trying new things, eating fruits, cooking, physical health, time for your family and friends. Doing things is important, not perfection. And quality over quantity in terms of friendship. Company matters, like-minded people, having productive circle around you. Not everyone will support you, and that's okay. Networking is as important as hard work. Managing your finances, taking the risk, then detachment and respect. The last point that I would like to cover is side hustle. Just do anything side by side. If you are a student, if you are a college student, कुछ भी करो side में. Like take that extra class in terms of like exploring new things and trying out new things. अगर आपके पास कुछ स्किल है तो दूसरों को सिखाओ. अगर आपको कुछ स्किल सीखनी है तो जाकर सीखो. अपना कुछ स्मॉल बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दो, यूट्यूब चालू कर दो, इंस्टाग्राम पे कंटेंट क्रिएशन चालू करो, या जस्ट एनीथिंग, बट जस्ट डू समथिंग साइड बाय साइड. Alongside, parallelly, ऐसे being a student, parallelly कुछ करते रहो, and that will help you manage your finances, be independent, and a lot of new things like exploring, connecting, and a lot of things. So I think I covered all my points, and that's it for the video. There are a lot of things that I might not have covered, but you realize it during your 20s. These were some of the points जो मैंने ऐसे collect करे and like summarize करे, but there are a lot of points जो शायद मैं भी miss कर रही होंगी. I just wanted to share, and बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो शायद मैंने और भी realize करी होगी, but I might not like remember it right now. But that's completely fine. अगर कुछ लगता है, just leave something in the comment section, and if you like the video, please just like, share, comment, subscribe, everything that obviously a YouTuber want from their audiences. This was my first video. I will be coming up with a lot more videos now, and I guess that's it. Okay, bye.